Bharat Institute of Technology is going to celebrate Shruti 2016 on 17th, 18th, 19th of this month.
I am Dr. K. Jagannath Rao, Head Department of Civil Engineering. I am glad to inform you that I was nominated as co-chairman of Shruti. It consists of two parts actually, the cultural fest as well as sports fest.
And just like every year, we have a whole lot of amazing competitions and events lined up for all of you. And apart from, of course, the cultural events, there are so many literary events also this time. And I'm the convener of the literary club of CBIT, Communicando. And this year we are doing Literati, 6th edition also along with Shruti.
Actually, why the Shruti is coined by the management is that Shruyantam iti Shrutihi means whichever is heard is Shruti. So Shruti means it should be in a perfect frequency. Manakunda Reddy sir has coined this Shruti like this because a man will have good and bad in his mind. So they should be balanced. Then only a person can behave nicely.
ఇది మనం ఒక టాలెంట్ని బయటికి తీసుకొచ్చే ఒక ప్లాట్ఫామ్గా తీసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ శృతికి యాడ్ చేయాలి అంటే కల్చరల్ క్లబ్ అనేది ఒకటి స్టార్ట్ చేశాను. దీనికి గర్వంగా నేను చెప్పుకుంది ఏంటంటే నేనే స్టార్ట్ చేశాను ఈ కల్చరల్ క్లబ్. 14 సంవత్సరాలు ఈ కన్వీనర్గా వర్క్ చేశాను శృతిలో. చేసిన తర్వాత నాకు ఒక చిన్న డౌట్ వచ్చింది. ఆన్ ది స్పాటే మనం ఆడిషన్స్ తీసుకుంటున్నాం. అలా కాకుండా ముందు నుంచే వాళ్ళని ట్రైన్ చేసి ఒక టాలెంట్ పట్టుకొని వాళ్ళని ట్రైన్ చేసి తర్వాత శృతిలో వాళ్ళ టాలెంట్ అనేది మనం ప్రొడ్యూస్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుందని ఒక చిన్న థాట్ వచ్చింది. ఆ థాట్ దాన్ని మేము 2005లో స్టార్ట్ చేసాం కల్చరల్గా. ఇప్పుడు మీరు చూస్తున్నారు ఎంతమంది మెంబర్స్ అయ్యారు దాంట్లో. సో దీనికి థ్యాంక్స్ టు శ్రీరామకృష్ణ, చాలా బాగా డెవలప్ చేస్తున్నారు ఆయన కూడా. ఇప్పుడు ఆయన ప్రస్తుతానికి కన్వీనర్. సో
On first day, 17th, we'll have the literary events, by name Literati, and also we'll have fun games on the first day. Second day, we'll distribute pages, we call it a sports day. And third day is cultural day.
Pavitra Bharata Vidyalayalu Mana Jati Samskrutiki Pratikalu Pragati Pathana Payanchadi Eenati Yuvataye Nidarshanam.
We have lots and lots of amazing, exciting events like the Big Fight, which is a debate, and we are doing it trilingually this time. That is in English and Telugu as well as Hindi. And we also have Mr. and Miss Literati and the literary quiz. And then we have the mystery-filled event called Who Done It. And this is the first time again we've introduced a Telugu competition called Prasangam, where we really want to encourage speakers in Telugu also to express their ideas. And we also have something called Script Story, which is a creative writing story.
Having minimum of 30 competitions, which includes Rangoli, culture arts, Telugu vocals, and like that so many variety of events are there.
On behalf of CBIT and as chairman of Shruti 2016, I request all the students of the colleges of three cities to participate in this event. It is a great pleasure for me to be the chairman of this event for this particular year. I thank the principal and the management for reposing confidence in me to discharge my duties as chairman of 2016.
In this connection, I request all the CBATians and other college students to participate in the Shruti and make a grand success.
Welcome to Shruti 2016.